park is pretty neat. Little seating area. The grass is actually really nice. Little water area. We've got some people playing pickleball over there on the ice rink, or on the fucking hockey rink. But yeah, we're waiting to leave the town because we're gonna go white water rafting. It wasn't in the plans originally, but as I've learned, traveling is you have to improvise, adapt, and overcome. That's what we did. So because of the Jasper wildfires, we had to audible. And so we're in Radium Springs. We had coffee this morning at Bighorn Cafe, which probably is the most popular breakfast spot in the city, or in the town. It's pretty good. Right, Julio?
So true.
That's right.
Bro, Mickey with the all black is kind of crazy.
What?
Like,
Oh,
so
'cause
hot
hot? Yeah. But yeah, whitewater rafting should be fun, huh?
So true. Never rafted before.
Actually?
Never.
Oh, wow. This will be fun.
It'll be a learning experience.
That's right. But yeah, we got here. I'm gonna float the Kicking Horse River. Should be cool. We get wetsuits because the water's really freaking cold. And yeah, should be a good time. We're waiting for the safety talk. On three! I won. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm corner, we got a wave, we can hit sideways. You won the choice. You want it to hit your side or hit their side?
Hit our side.
Alrighty. We just got done rafting. Julio, what do you think?
Bro, killer. So fun.
Nikki's over there doing whatever, but I'll ask her in a sec. Nikki, thoughts?
I wasn't ready.
Thoughts?
I had a blast.
We need to throw some of this shit away, bro.
I know we have so much shit in the car.
Smell.
I wish you were more number 4 rafting. Is that what they're called?
Yeah, but I think that's just the way the nature is. Right, Julio.
That's it?
Yeah.
I think it's like too simple.
It does seem too simple.
I guess it is meant
Well,
for
because it's
little
like
kids.
slide. No, it's slide. Fuck.
Finally got to Calgary after a long drive from Golden here. After we rafted, we went to a place called Wolf's Den. It was pretty good. It's in Golden. And then it just took us a hell of a long time to get here. But overall today was really fun. Our guide was super cool, Drew. And then, yeah, we leave tomorrow. But this vacation has been really cool with a lot of great company. So yeah, till tomorrow. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles Dupont. I get soaked out for the 100.